This is, yeah, this is around where it was. Got him! Got him! Got him on, told you.
Is he good?
No, he's just little, I think. Yep, definitely. Let's go. On film as well.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh.
Aren't you on 1%?
No, oh, he's decent. Actually, no, he's little. He's a bit smaller than yours. Oh, he's nice. He's pretty big. Bit bigger than 50, I reckon. He's around the same size as yours, or a little bit smaller. Just a bit smaller than yours. Just make sure I get him in view. There you go, there's a nice probably 50cm cod. Get some underwater release footage real quick. And I'm filming. Hopefully the audio's not too bad, but he's just swimming off over there. There's a nice cod.